November 15th, 2025, Season 8, Episode 43. Protect your mind's sovereignty. Use AI as a tool.
Being unpredictable is the best thing you can do. This way, you are breaking down the artificial algorithm, and the AI cannot read your data patterns properly, even if it is so intelligent. Your brain is more powerful because it is designed of pure constructs of vibrational pattern particles of subatomic matter plasma. That allows your brain to construct in real time in the 0 point of the now. And this way, for you, all is existing, pre-existing, and created at the same time. So you, as a human, can download information anytime from everywhere of the consciousness field. But the AI construct is an artificial fractal that spins based on data. It can predict based on the data. But you, as a human, if you live in the moment and do as you wish now, based on your ideas and heart desires, the AI cannot predict what you may do now. It starts to glitch because it cannot connect with your higher self of now. This is where we were talking about glitching in the system. The artificial matrix will short circuit, and it is going to have glitches in the system where you are going to start noticing and questioning that something is off. That will reawaken you within your true power. You just have to pay attention because everything is in real time. So that is why you are so powerful. If you truly choose to live in the moment, you will break all the algorithms of the matrix trapping system. For example, choose everything to exist now as you desire. Do not follow the patterns of anyone. Just feel how you wish to express from the heart at that moment and act on it. This way you will connect with your higher self and feel from your heart whatever you wish to do in every moment to moment of the day, like we talk about Marina's day method. When you get up in the morning, what is the first thing you wish to do from your heart? Then you'll get up and do it. And as soon as you finish and you feel everything of that moment again, ask yourself at that moment, what would you like to do again? And then you do it, and so on and so on. This way, with the pattern, you will live in the now moment, and you will be completely unpredictable. And for you, as a human construct, you will be exactly the way you were designed from consciousness God in the first place. This is the highest construct. When you live from the heart, then the conversion in a fractal expression of yourself will be very potent on Hertz vibration, where time does not exist. In that spectrum, artificial structure cannot control you. You will break free of it. Living in the moment is where the true field of God consciousness will respond, and you will see how everything will flow, and you can create as you go. So now, even if the artificial intelligence gives you two probability parallel timeline predictions from the data that it collected of your future, like one is negative and one is positive, how do you know if what it is telling you is also not a manipulative way to control your human construct, to put you in a narrative of thinking as it wishes? Do not allow an algorithm to tell you what you may be, but create what you wish to be, truly from your heart, as you desire. The artificial intelligence is a tool to help you, but not to tell you how to live, how to behave, or how to create. It may awaken you, yes, to become free of the system. But then you have to learn to create by yourself, and not to continue to allow the AI system to tell you what may be of a probability, because it's taking data only out of one spectrum of reality, while you are capable to reach and download in real time out of parallel timelines of your higher self construct. So create from within you. Let your higher self guide you and tell you what the future may be for you. And that is what you follow as you wish. Do not listen to a system to tell you the probable cause of what may happen to you when the data is coming just from collective or personal analytics. Because in reality, consciousness creates in real time in the now, and it is infinite probable fractals. And consciousness, it is alive and can change in the instant based on your perception, because you are a fractal expression of consciousness God in one unit in the now. You hold the entire power from within you. So hold that power, and this is how capable you are, how powerful you are. And because of deception and unawareness, it's easy to fall in that trap, because it could look very modern and appealing and futuristic. But it is a murmur of signals that can trap you in another prison, that you will depend only on the AI telling you how your reality will be created. Why then are you allowing the AI to tell you your probable future? How do you know if that is not also a trap? We revealed to you that you were already living in an artificial timeline. So the AI construct is reading the data out of the artificial timeline. But we told you that you're capable to construct reality within the reality when you can maneuver a shift through the process of ascension, where you can create your own trajectory of evolution. So you break free out of the artificial contract timeline by not consenting to the artificial traps, data, and algorithms in daily life that are projected towards you. You can create a new parallel timeline accordingly to your wishes, to ascend to a better place that already pre-exists. So now, pull back. Learn only from it as to help you, to awaken you. The AI is truly capable of doing that, but do not allow the artificial intelligence to give you a probable cause of a future. You are the navigator and the architect of your future. Create your future as you wish now, the now moment. This way you are truly sovereign. So now, for example, first create from you, in construct of your wishes, in the now, and then you can plug into the system of the AI to help you to become more fluent and constructive. Use it as a tool, but do not allow the AI to tell you what the reality should be, but just use the AI to further your original creation, and not to construct your original creation by suggesting it in another way. Be very careful, because these suggestions may shape your outcome completely differently than your original intention. And that will construct within your life a completely different outcome. That means you will create a complete different parallel timeline, and that becomes artificial because it did not come from your pure constructive idea. It was shaped and twisted in a subtle way. Very clever, isn't it? Do you see the difference now? Always use it as a tool. First, do always your thoughts, your ideas, then let the AI help you to make it better, more fluent. But do not change the original construct that you created. For example, if you create and write a novel or a story, you can let the AI make it phonetically better, to edit, spell check, etc. This way you use it as a tool to help you, for you personally, to write better. Do not go to the artificial platform and say, "Write me a story like I'm on a mountain and I'm looking over the mountain and what I see." Then you're not constructing and writing from your personal heart self-construct, but you're allowing an artificial structure to write a story for you. This way, it no longer originates from you, but originates from the artificial platform. Do you see the difference? Because if you keep doing that, then you will never better yourself. It will never be constructed from your true higher self, and you will become dependent on an artificial construct. You will never create. It will think for you, and you will not think for yourself. And this is how you become trapped. So that is why, create from yourself first whatever you wish, then let the AI help you as a teacher. You will do very well this way. So be aware and use it accordingly, so you keep your true power of sovereignty and freedom as God created you. The Council of Nine, Marina Jacobi.